Joe from Spring Branch has a question about window installation.
We're talking new construction here. Okay.
Got it.
Joe asks, is it appropriate to use nails versus screws, a nailer gun versus a power drill? When I've had windows replaced, they've used screws and a power drill. You see a builder put them up and they're using nails. What do you think?
Doesn't matter. It's a flange fit. Nails are fine. Most of the time it's nails. They don't pull out an extra tool. The framers are installing the windows. And so it's perfectly fine with nails. I don't have a problem with either one. The detail of the window, when you put the tape on and you waterproof it and stuff, that's the most important part.
What's the difference between new construction and a replacement window?
New construction has a flange on it.
Okay.
So you just nail or screw the flange to the framing.
Okay.
New window replacement, you have to set the window in the opening and then you screw through the side into the framing.
Okay.
So there is a difference. It's not a flange fit.
All right. There you go. Learn something every day. So you want to learn something for yourself? You go ahead and send us your question. Visit HomeShowRadio.com and click on the Ask Tom button. We'll post your answer just like these videos. Subscribe to our channel, click the bell, and we'll ring yours when we post a new one.